Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play the old hymn, The Old Rugged Cross. Now hymns are notorious for having a lot of chords in them because typically they're written for the piano. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this old hymn, I'm going to simplify it down to just 3 very, very easy to play chords. So we're going to make it nice and easy for you to learn this song. So what I'll do now is go ahead and play it for you, and then afterwards I'll break it down for you in more detail.
On a hill far away stood an old rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. And I love that old cross where the dearest and best for a world of lost sinners was slain. So I'll cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. Oh, that old rugged cross, so despised by the world, has a wondrous attraction for me. For the dear Lamb of God left His glory above to bear it to dark Calvary. Cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. In the old rugged cross, stained with blood so divine, a wondrous beauty I see. For 'twas on that old cross Jesus suffered and died to pardon and sanctify me. Cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. The old rugged cross I will ever be true, its shame and reproach gladly bear. Then He'll call me someday to my home far away, where His glory forever I'll share. Cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown.
So as I said at the beginning, for this song I'm just playing 3 chords. I'm using the G chord, the C add 9 chord, and the D over F sharp chord. Now, you could play a traditional C instead of the C add 9, and you could play a traditional D instead of the D over F sharp. But I like to teach these chords, these particular variations, because they fit better within the G chord family. This song is in the key of G that we're playing it in, and so the C add 9 is a nice C chord to use in the G chord family, and the D over F sharp also is a nice D chord to use. They have more in common with the root chord, which in this case is G, so it makes transitioning a lot easier, and it also has a more unified sound when played together. Because these chords have things in common, they have that more unified sound together. Now for strumming, I'm going to be using the swing pattern, which is a 3-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 3 down strums, and then we're going to have an up strum added after beat 3, and then it repeats. So again, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, and that's it. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and. But to add more dynamics and variety to this pattern, what we're going to do is we're just going to pluck the first note of the chord on the first beat of each measure. So when we say 1, we're just plucking 1 string. So if we're starting on the G chord, the first note of the G chord is going to be your low E string, okay? So on beat 1, we're just hitting that string by itself, all right? And so we have 1, 2, 3, and, okay? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. Like that. Now when you get to the C add 9, the first note of the C add 9 is on the A string. That's your C note, okay? So the low E string is not part of the C add 9. You want to start your strumming on the A string. All right, if you'd like to get the chord chart for this song, just click the link right here to head on over to the website where you can download that. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when I come out with new lessons. Also, if you'd like to leave any song suggestions in the comments down below, I will add that to my list of songs to draw from when I come out with new tutorials. All right, I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Take care.